Open any browser. On the top right side, you will see Google Apps. Click on it. Scroll down and click on Google Sheets. At the left hand side, you have main menu. On the right hand side, you have template gallery. Click and expand it. Under work, you will find invoice, weekly timesheet, financial sheet and many. Click on invoice. You just need to edit all the sections here like company name, address, bill or amount, or you can also edit currency. Once you are done, you want to look how it looks. Click on File and then click on Print. Make it to Portrait. Now you'll see a brilliant professional invoice. If you want to share it, click on Share. You can also email this or download it. That's it. Thanks for watching.